Pose for the thumbnail? Alright. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Veronika if you're new here, and today we're gonna unbox an extra special box. It's not from ThredUp, it's not from Goodwill Outlet, it is from my Glamma's Closet. You guys know who Glamma is. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know who Glamma is. She had a giveaway for reaching 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is super exciting. In case you're wondering, I will still have a giveaway for my milestone as well. But during her giveaway, I actually won her Glamma starter kit. So your Be Like Your Glamma box, and we're gonna unpack it together and see what's in there. I do remember most of the items that you put in there, I think, but it was a while ago and I just haven't gotten around to filming this. So I'm really excited to see what is in this big old box that Glamma sent to me. So stick around if you're curious, and then we'll see if we can turn me into Glamma. I don't think it's possible, honestly, because she's just fabulous and glamorous and awesome, but I am, you know, an honorary member of the Glam Fam, so I will try my best to channel my inner Glamma for this video. Alright, so let's see what is in this big old box from Glamma. We have some free air pouches. Thank you so much. Love them. And we have, oh yeah, I almost forgot about this. Probably, arguably the best item in the box, but Glamma sent one of her own personal collection Coach purses, which I will very likely keep and wear with pride, like my badge of honor, and I'd be styling like my Glamma, because I don't have a really good purse right now, to be honest. Mine that I've used for years and years finally gave out and broke, so this is coming in handy, if I dare say so myself. Here we go. I'll see. I might keep this one, wear it out and proud, and think of my Glamma wherever I go, which is kind of the purpose of this box, to be honest with y'all. Alright, this I'm very excited for. The t-shirt. I'm with Glamma. I love this. I'm gonna wear this in so many videos. In fact, I'm gonna wear it right now. I already filmed another video today and wore the same shirt, so yeah, we're just gonna change real quick and put this on and look like your Glamma. Pose for the thumbnail. Alright, we got a Raydon Glamma tumbler, which I love. So I'm not a Glamma yet, and I hopefully have many years to go before that happens, but I will, you know, use that, trust me. We also have some hairspray, which, in case you can't tell, I do not wake up like this, so that'll come in handy to keep the locks looking luscious, just like Glamma's. We have, let's see. Okay, there's a lot going on in here. Alright, my favorite item. We got Aunt Boo on a stick. I love it. I love my Glam Fam. I love Glamma. I love Aunt Boo. And this is going to get a very special place. I haven't decided where it's going to go yet. I feel like I need to protect her from my child because he'll probably grab her and be like, what is this? So, Aunt Boo, don't worry. We're going to protect you from the grabby little hands. Alright, we got a manicure set, which is always appreciated. My nails don't look as fabulous as Glamma's because I don't have a Miss Sue to take care of them. But who cannot use a 6-piece manicure set? Maybe my nails will look as good as Glamma's. Okay, she did include some Dunkin' hazelnut coffee, which I will drink even though I'm a Starbucks girl, but I'll drink it and think of her, and you know what? I might actually like it. I'm open to trying new things and changing my coffee order every once in a while. You heard it here first. I'm a little bummed that you can't really see this shirt, so let's do it like this then. Alright, this little beauty pouch bag with all these fabulous ladies on them. A whole Glam Fam, if you will. Glamma and her Olas. Oh my god, it's filled with good things and good stuff. We have a bazillion nail files. We have the bomb, bath bomb, cake bomb. It says it's fun size. That's what she said. An almond buttercream bath fizzer with a surprise inside. That's also what she said. What else do we have? We have a base coat nail polish. Now, I am a Color Street girl, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use your nail polish, Glamma, but I will try my best. So we got some OPI nail lacquer. Very nice. What is this? Oh, hoop earrings. Of course we need hoop earrings. Yep. I will be sure to wear them in a future video as well, probably with this shirt, because, you know, we gotta represent the look. We got some, is that hand sanitizer? Yep. Glamma always sends hand sanitizer. She's so good about keeping all of us healthy. There's also this one, Bath and Body Works. Always appreciate it. We got some Tarte Lip Surgeons. I don't know if it's a lipstick or like a lip stain or a gloss. Let's see, let's open it up. Oh, it's a little lip pencil. Love that. A little louder than what I wear on my lips, which is basically chapstick, but I will try this out. I will probably not resell or give this away. And we got some NARS lip gloss. Okay, so we got the gloss too. Can't go without the gloss. All right, I'm gonna put all of this back in here. Whoa. I love these earrings, by the way. So I don't wear earrings a lot anymore. I used to wear earrings all the time, and then I had a kid who would grab them all the time, and you know, it just gets old. I love this little makeup pouch too. Okay, what else we got in here? We have a Pink Sky ring holder and kickstand for your phone, which is awesome. I'm overdue for a new phone, and so once I get it, this will be blinged out with this ring holder and a kickstand, so excited for that. I love practical gifts. All right, we have a big old planner. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's a 2023 17-month planner, so it starts right now in August, and it goes all the way until December 2023. Look at that. Like I have my life planned out. But now I will. I'm going to put Aunt Boo on a stick in there, actually, just to keep her safe. Okay, what is this? Oh, premium reading glasses with case. I love this. So, as you can see, I am wearing glasses. I'm nearsighted, so I don't actually need these yet, but I'm sure in the future these will come in handy once I reach, I don't know, a certain age, or my eyes decide to get even worse. So thank you so much, Glamma. We got some more bubbly stuff in here that I will reuse because, you know, that's what a good reseller does. I'm just making sure I'm not forgetting anything. Nope, all good. Thank you so much, Glamma, for this wonderful, wonderful gift and for doing this amazing giveaway. She gave away so much good stuff, you guys. Obviously, at this point, if you weren't there, you missed out. But if you were there and you won something, you know how good these prizes were. And I was so excited to win this box from Glamma. It was one of the things that I was just really, really stoked for and really wanted to get it. And yeah, I'm really happy that my name was drawn. So thank you so much again, Glamma. I will be enjoying my Dunkin' coffee out of my new Glamma tumbler while I'm writing in my planner and looking at Aunt Boo, and I'll be looking all fabulous in my new t-shirt with, you know, my hair and nails and everything all done. And I'm so happy we're friends. I'm so happy we're doing the bar together, which TBD when that is happening again, because we all have so much going on in our lives right now. But I'm just so grateful for, honestly, this whole YouTube community, but especially my friends from the Hell Chat. You know who you are. And yeah, you guys, I will see you soon with another video. It'll be more of my regular reseller content, but I just had to film this unboxing and give Glamma a big shout out. If you're not subscribed to her yet, definitely go over there and subscribe. I'll link her channel down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? And do give this video a thumbs up. If not for me, then for your Glamma and for her being so freaking generous with these prices. I appreciate you, I love you, and I will see you guys soon. Mwah! Cheers!